Look at this mess. Man, I'd hate for anyone to be out here. I mean, you would have to be insane. Like literally crazy, man. Like, I don't know, man, to be out here. This is crazy. This is crazy. I mean, I feel bad, man. If you are out here, if you out in this mess, you crazy, man. You crazy. And here I am, out here. And bro, nobody cares. So, come on, man. Do some pull-ups with me. Let's go. Shout out to you guys. Welcome back to the channel. We out here doing cold reps in the snow. It's MountainTuff. Appreciate you guys. We're gonna do like I don't know. We're just gonna go till we reach a really good number, bro. Hopefully this won't hurt us too bad. Let's go. Let's go, cause it is cold. It's cold, man. Cold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break them down a little bit, break them down a little bit. Maybe even get some push-ups in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Warm up. Warm up, man. Gotta get the body warmed up, bruh. We're gonna work on our chest. We're gonna work on our arms. I'm talking biceps. I'm talking triceps. I'm talking trapezoids, toboggans, and gloves, baby. In the cold. Let's go, guys. We at 10. We at 10. We're going up 15. Here we go. 5 apiece. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take your time. Take a breather. That feel right. Feel good. Feel like cold, man. Feel like cold. If I only had a little bit more. Never mind. Come on. 15. Let's go. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's get this work. Let's get this work. So the more we do, the warmer we start to get. Which is good. 20, 25, here we go. Let's go, baby. 25, hold the weight. 21, 22, 23, 24. Last one, come on. 25, baby. My arms are tight, man. My arms are tight. 25, what's that? Okay, guys. Going to 30. 5 piece, 5 reps a piece. Here we go. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Woo. Starting to feel it, man. Starting to feel it. Starting to feel it in them arms, bruh. Nobody cares, bruh. Nobody cares about the gains. Let's go. That's 30. Take a break, man. Feel it, man. Woo. fudge. Come on, bro. Damn it. Okay, so I hyperextended some. Shooting this video, kids. Don't try this at home. You could easily pull something like I did. Of course, you're gonna pull something when you're doing pull-ups. That's all good. Come on. 30. What's up, brother? What's up? 31. We're pinning it out, guys. 32. 33. 34. 35. Oh, I think 50 is a fair number. What do y'all think, guys? 50? Can't do a hundo right now. I'm gonna make it light and variable. So, that's 35. Let's go to 40. Here we go. 36, 37, 38, 40. It's 40. Feeling broken. Yeah, definitely feeling broken. Let's go. In the snow, in this cold, man. This cold weather, guys. Let's go. 45 on the way. You ready? Let's get it. Come on. Come on, MT. Come on, MT. Don't quit on me now, baby. 2, 3, 4, 5. 45, baby. 45. Light work. Light work. 5 more sets. Well, 5 more reps. We hit 50. Let's go. Nice little warm up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 50 pull-ups. Shout out to you guys. Here we go with 50. These right here. Let's go. Let's knock them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Work our way to 50, guys, on the push-ups. Taking the time, taking breathing. Arms feeling good. Warmed up again. Warmed up again. Let's do 10 more. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, baby. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Putting in that work, putting in that work. Let's go, let's go. Take a break. 20. 10 piece. 10 piece. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I want my mommy now. I want my mommy now. Mommy! Yeah! Ah! Starting to feel it, man. 10 more for 40. Let's go, man. You got this. You got this, man. Come on. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, up. I should not be out here under these conditions doing what I'm doing. But I'm doing it. I'm doing it anyway. I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for me. I'm doing it for America. I'm doing it for the world. I'm doing it for a hot cup of coffee. Let's go. Last 10 for 50. Let's do this. Let's go, guys. Ready? Come on. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Hold it. Taxes, baby. Gotta pay taxes. 7%. Come on. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Okay. Get out of here. I hate this. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to everybody out there. Let's go. Sorry about that. That was 50 pull-ups, 5 reps apiece, 50 push-ups, 10 reps apiece. It's for beginners. Just beginners, man. It's the way to work yourself up to getting really good and it's comfortable. And you want to take your time to prevent getting injured like I did. You don't get injured like me, guys. It sucks. It takes forever to recover. But that's a whole nother story. Appreciate y'all. Like and subscribe to the MountainTuff channel. Everybody, stay blessed. Peace. Let's go.